All right, so next we're gonna transition into 2 shooting drills that are gonna allow us to kind of work on this balance transfer. Now, you can do it, I've got it set up to do it to the right foot to goal, but you can have it run at the same time, left foot to goal. Just don't put a goalie in if 2 people are shooting at the same time for player safety. If you only are running one side, if you have low numbers or something like that, run it on one side, allow them to shoot and then go play goalie and then go get back in line kind of thing. That way players are rotating and having fun playing. Okay? So I'll demo the first drill and then I'm gonna have Johnny run through it at speed. So I'll do the demo, Johnny will run through it at speed. So first drill, okay, little L shape, it's 2 gates. Okay, I'm gonna step in front of the first gate. I'm gonna play a bounce pass with the coach. I'm gonna drop and scan, open my hips to face this middle cone, play me. I'm gonna take a touch forward and then I'm gonna finish. Okay, now, the important part of this drill, back here, Johnny, quickly, is in that weight transfer between when I play this bounce pass, I play the bounce pass, I go backwards and I scan. Now I want to get my hips and my knees and my shoulders over top so that I can then move forward quickly. Okay, because if I'm leaning back and this ball gets played to me, my touch is going to be here and I'm going to have to put my foot down before I can transition into speed. What I want them doing is taking their touch as their step. Our touch is our step. So as I drop and scan, I'm gonna get my everything leaning forward because I'm going to goal, yes, play. So that as I take this touch, I'm also stepping forward and then I'm off to the races to finish. Okay, so Johnny out there quickly. Johnny's gonna do it at speed. Ready, go. Play in front, drop and scan. Touch forward, body weight, good, finish. Good, okay. All right, second drill we're gonna run is gonna, again, work on that balance transfer, but now we're gonna play a couple different positions as we do this, so I'll try to talk to that as I do it. So I'm gonna come inside of the L shape, okay? Again, you can do this on the other side as well. This is set up for right foot. Coach is gonna come a little bit closer this time. And we're gonna play a series of bounce passes and the coach is gonna decide when we go, okay? Right now, the coach is simulating being a center back and I'm a center mid playing with his hips towards his own goal or with his back to, you know, our attacking goal. So right now we're playing again with back to goal, okay? So we're gonna bounce a series of times, go ahead. Okay, this should be all right foot, all right foot, all right foot. If they can't play that pass, tell them to go over their passing technique again. Okay, we're gonna say go. I'm gonna drop one more time and I'm open and I'm gonna scan. I'm gonna get my hips leaning forward. So now I'm playing almost as an outside back or maybe as a center mid who just made a checking run to create space. I'm gonna have the ball played in front of me. And I'm gonna take my first touch to penetrate. Okay, now, couple things. Okay, and I'm gonna show this again in a second, but couple things here. Okay, as we kind of move out here, if they create space this way, we're not gonna beat the defender, one, they're gonna have to go wider, and as we go wider, it's gonna be harder to take our first touch forward. So when we create the space, we wanna move out, but also a little bit back, so that we can get our hips turned and facing forward, so that we can play into space, play me, so that I can take that first touch forward, and not have to take that first touch inside. I don't wanna take it inside and kill my space. I want to take it down the line where I have space to run into. Okay, so again, we're gonna be in here, we're gonna bounce. Okay, just bounce there, bounce around her. Come on, play. We're gonna say go, come around her. I'm gonna drop and scan, play my right foot, touch forward. Now I'm gonna add a Cruyff. Okay, so Cruyff here, straight back. This will be a left-footed pass now. Left. Coach will find through the gate, a one touch, and then a finish. Okay? All right, at speed again. Here we go. Bounce, 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 go. Get out. Good. Turn. Cruyff. Find me. Good. Back through the middle. Touch, and a finish. Good.